Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Hotels Banco map. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on account down here. When you just click on account, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on communications. You just click on it. Come to next here, then all you have to do now, just click here on hotels.com. Then you come to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here, click here on personalized here, trip recommendations, just click on it. And here can you enable it for email here, then you click on update. Then like now it's going to enable with us here, like you see here, personalized trip recommendation notifications. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.